what I'm going to work on. There's a square hole here called a hardy hole. There's a round hole called a Pritchell hole. This tool is called a cut-off hot cut for cutting hot metal. I'm going to stick it there in my hardy hole, and I'm going to cut the metal with it. I'm going to get it hot again.
Oh, that's how they used to make fire?
Yep.
Yeah.
I just hold my breath. No, I just hold my breath when it blows in my face. This particular piece of equipment here is called a forge. And this is coal I'm using here on the outside. This black stuff's coal. This is a blower I'm turning. That's what creates, see how the flames leaped up there? The inside that fire gets about 3,000 degrees. And if I keep talking, I'm going to burn my piece of metal up. See how shiny it is? It's almost melted. So I'm just going to cut this.
I can see the steam.
Almost through. Move that so I don't hurt myself. Put that in there in the nail header and break it. And we'll use the Pritchell hole. And finish the nail. Now, it's still hot. When metal gets hot, it expands. Okay, y'all know what that word means?
Yep.
It gets bigger. So what do you think happens when it cools down?
It
It's tiny, it shrinks, it gets smaller. So when I put that in the water, it cools it down and makes it smaller. That's so I can get it out of the nail head. Okay, I'm going to store it over here and pass that around. It's not hot. Pass it around.
It's cool.
Are you still recording it?
Yeah, I want to record this. Of course, I'm recording.
Anybody have any questions? What's what?
Take a picture already.
Here.
Want me to hold it for you, Michael?
When I start working,
That is so cool.
scale like that before I hammer it.
It's cool.
So the scale makes it
Dude, he's recording it too.
Yes.
How did you find the clothes to make this stuff?
Well, I buy this in a certain place. I buy it from me.
I see grinder.
That's the
grinder over there.
That's the vending circle.
That's cool.
Water
Bring it over here,
Yeah.
and it'd be hot, and I hit it around this and make a circle with the hook or something like that. Yes.
How long have you been a blacksmith?
I've been blacksmithing about 30 years.
Wow.